Hello everyone, welcome to Book Bees. In this video, you will find a list of top 12 waterfalls in the world, about 800 meters. Their names, locations and height in meter and feet with beautiful photographs. Angel Falls of Venezuela is the highest waterfall in the world. 1. Angel Falls in Canaima National Park, Bolivar, Venezuela, with a height of 979 meters, that is 3,212 feet. 2. Tugela Falls in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa, with a height of 947 meters, that is 3,107 feet. 3. Tres Hermanas Falls in Otishi National Park, Junín, Peru, with a height of 914 meters, that is 2,999 feet. 4. Olo'upena Falls in Molokai, Hawaii, United States of America, with a height of 900 meters, that is 2,953 feet. 5. Umbela Falls in Amazonas, Peru, with a height of 896 meters, that is 2,940 feet. 6. Vinofossen in Morog Romsdal, Norway, with a height of 860 meters, that is 2,822 feet. 7. Balaifossen in Hordaland, Norway, with a height of 850 meters, that is 2,789 feet. 8. Pu'uka'oku Falls in Hawaii, United States of America, with a height of 840 meters, that is 2,756 feet. 9. James Bruce Falls in British Columbia, Canada, with a height of 840 meters, that is 2,756 feet. 10. Brownie Falls in Southland, New Zealand, with a height of 836 meters, that is 2,743 feet. 11. Strupenfossen Falls in Westland, Norway, with a height of 820 meters, that is 2,690 feet. 12. Ramnefzelsfossen in Westland, Norway, with a height of 818 meters, that is 2,684 feet. Thank you for watching, and please support us by subscribing the channel and like the video.